Uncertainty over action central banks might take to reignite global growth is weighing on sentiment, but the euro edges ahead thanks to supportive noises from China. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke is polishing his words for a speech to the great and good gathered for a financial powwow in the US ski resort of Jackson Hole. Hopes are fading for another round of QE, but Deutsche Bank's Stefan Schneider says time is running out for the Fed if it does want to unleash more stimulus measures.
The Fed has already made clear that it's ready to act. And I guess if you look at the windows of opportunity available, we are approaching the election period, which is basically a kind of a blackout period for Fed policy. I think we can expect something to happen anytime soon.
ECB boss Mario Draghi is also under the spotlight in the run-up to next week's policy meeting. Draghi has said he'll do whatever it takes to protect the euro, although no definite measures have yet been spelled out. He should put some flesh on the bones of his bond-buying plan next Thursday. And National Australia Bank's Nick Parsons says market gloom has been overdone.
I wouldn't read too much into near-term price action for the markets when they're able to reflect on what is happening and what will happen and the likely firepower that the ECB is going to bring to bear on this. I think they will still take a lot of comfort.
Data out on Friday are expected to show inflation in the Eurozone edging ahead to an annual rate of 2.5% in August, well above the ECB's target of just under 2%. And unemployment also likely to remain stubbornly high with a forecast rate of 11.2% in July. Europe's biggest electronics fair opens to the public in the German capital of Berlin. Samsung is aiming to bounce back after its loss to Apple in a bruising patent battle in the US courts. Samsung is counting on its new Galaxy Note, combining the functions of a tablet and phone to gain ground over Apple in the global market, worth some $200 billion. Before we go, make sure you've got your Lego bricks lined up. Danish toymaker reports interim results Friday. Earlier this year, the group launched a new range called Lego Friends, aimed primarily at girls. Lego says sales have been astonishing, and it's planning to open new plants in Hungary and the Czech Republic. I'll be talking with Lego CEO at 8:30 London time tomorrow. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.